Business logos serve as a symbol to identify a firm and can also be used in a variety of ways to attract clients and assist develop a brand image. DesignHill is an online design software that serves as a creative hub for businesses and individuals seeking to create custom designs for their branding needs. It offers various design services including logo, web, packaging design, t-shirt design, and much more. With a diverse array of design professionals and a user-friendly interface, DesignHill has become a go-to destination for design needs, providing access to top-notch design talent and elevating brands and projects. DesignHill delivers a graphic design platform that professional designers can use to generate income, showcase their work, and participate in design contents to further their business. For businesses and professional individuals, DesignHill functions as an online marketplace that connects clients with a global community of talented designers, allowing them to access high-quality custom designs such as logos, website design, print materials, and more without breaking their budget. Businesses that have specific design needs such as logo design, business card design, web design, and more can also run design contests and choose from the designs submitted by designers from all over the world. DesignHill has thousands of graphic artists, logo designers, illustrators, and visual artists from across the world, and has also gained popularity due to its affordability, ease of use, and quick turnaround time. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this DesignHill review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on DesignHill. What does DesignHill really do? DesignHill is an online design marketplace that helps business owners source high-quality custom designs by providing a platform to manage and pay freelance designers for the right logo, website design, and more at affordable prices. DesignHill also features custom t-shirt designs and a print shop. With DesignHill, businesses have a venue where they can have their specific design needs addressed by top design experts. Users can also run design contests and choose from dozens of designs submitted by designers from all over the world. DesignHill is a combination of a crowdsourcing custom design marketplace and a creative platform for designers to learn and showcase their creative work. It allows users to check out designers' portfolios, choose who they want to work with, and engage with them throughout the design process. DesignHill also provides clients with a variety of tools, such as an AI logo maker, business card maker, and graphic design software to help clients create their designs. Its logo maker uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to customize logos to suit individuals' needs. DesignHill also features one-to-one design projects, where you can set your own price with a 5% DesignHill fixed commission and a 100% money-back guarantee when you sign up with the link in the description below. In an increasingly competitive and digitalized world, DesignHill provides an efficient and cost-effective way for business owners to acquire custom and unique designs to boost their brand identity. Benefits and key features of DesignHill. Some of the benefits and unique features of DesignHill includes 1. Design contests. DesignHill offers a marketplace where you can launch design contests or projects and receive multiple design submissions that convey your brand identity from different designers. Multiple designers submit entries for you and you award a winner. 2. Customizable design briefs. DesignHill allows you to fill out a customizable design brief that outlines your design requirements and preferences. The brief helps designers understand what you're looking for and ensures that the final design meets your needs. 3. Custom logo design. DesignHill also provides a custom logo design service where users can collaborate with professional designers to create unique and tailored logo designs. This provides a compelling option for individuals and businesses looking to create professional logos. 4. Multiple design options. Once the design brief is submitted, designers from the DesignHill community submit multiple design options for the client. This means businesses can select the design that best fits their brand and style. 5. DesignHill's AI logo maker. DesignHill leverages the power of artificial intelligence to generate multiple logo ideas based on your preferences without working with professional designers. This enhances your brand's online presence with effective e-commerce practices to drive in more sales. 6. Extensive designer community. DesignHill has a pool of highly talented designers who work with users to bring their design ideas to life. Users can collaborate with designers one-to-one, enhancing the quality and creativity of the final design. 7. Brand kits to build brand identity. DesignHill offers a simple and convenient process for obtaining a brand kit. When creating a logo with DesignHill, you can include a brand kit subscription during checkout. DesignHill's pricing and plans. DesignHill offers transparent and affordable pricing tiers that are adaptable to the needs of individual customers. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and a 100% money-back guarantee on all plans. How to use DesignHill for logo outsourcing. This only requires 4 easy steps, which include: Step 1. Create a design brief. Step 2. Set your budget. Step 3. Select a design package. Step 4. Launch your design contest. Pros: high-quality design outputs, ensuring users receive professional designs for their brands. You can request 1 free design consultation as a trial. Allows private communication with designers who have made entries for your design contest. Ready-made logos are available for purchase at a more affordable pricing. Integrated polling technology that allows you to get opinions from others for better decisions. The AI Logo Maker allows users to quickly generate multiple logo ideas without any help. Extensive collection of customizable AI-generated design variations, including brand identity, advertising, website, illustration, and clothing design. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. 100% money-back guarantee on all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Hence, DesignHill does not offer a free plan. Conclusion: DesignHill provides a platform for all types of businesses and individuals to hire the most talented graphic designers and artists from around the world at an affordable price. It also offers clients a vast portfolio of designs that can be customized to their particular specs, branding, and other criteria. DesignHill users can choose between crowdsourcing and one-on-one freelance project models. With the crowdsourcing option, DesignHill organizes a design contest in which graphic artists from all over the world submit their own designs based on the client's demands and instructions. One-on-one project clients, on the other hand, work with a specific designer chosen from DesignHill's roster of top design experts. With its user-friendly interface, affordable pricing plans, and a plethora of design options, DesignHill stands out as a top choice in the market. This is why many companies across a variety of industries have their logos created by DesignHill experts, ranging from real estate, retail, travel and hotels, medical and pharmaceutical, construction and architecture, and energy to name a few. Whether it's a job for a logo design, t-shirt prints, or packaging labels among others, DesignHill has got you covered. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with DesignHill. If you enjoyed this DesignHill review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.